Okay, we are on candid camera.
You lead the way, all the youngsters lead the way.
Okay, we are on candid camera. Darwin, you have to slow down so you can take the photo.
Let's go. Little boy, let's go.
Darwin,
Let's go.
Let's go.
Smile. We can proceed.
Say what about them? Darwin.
Going down.
What are your thoughts?
Yeah, it's quite interesting because it's my first time actually joining activity with CC. So it's like, I think it's very good because it allows like residents, even if they don't know each other, they can bond together in such a session.
Okay, how many? Please put up your hand. Who wants to take the steps? I'm doing a countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, most of us taking the steps.
Hey, hi everybody. This is not the first time that the YEC and the IAEC are working together. It's actually the second time. Today we brought about 30 residents. I think all of them, they enjoyed themselves a lot. We look forward to more such hikes in future.
Visitor center, okay? Just going to pack up the stuff over there. From there we're going to proceed to query. Okay, those who want to follow me inside the jungle event.
I feel so happy to organize such an event for the Eunos CC residents, and the response was overwhelming, and I can look at those faces here. All the participants, they are very happy, and I do have some requests. They want us to do a monthly activities on this hiking, so I'm glad to hear all this.
Was not sure whether I could make it or not, especially on the upward slope, like the first part of upward slope. We feel good that you can make it.
Yeah, hi everyone, I'm Saiful. Okay, basically my thoughts for this, after this, what you should do, you should have a regular basis of this hiking. You see, everyone wanting to do it, and it can. This is for every family out there. If you are listening to this, please get to know your CC. Come to us, okay? We are there. We are here to help you, okay? Everyone are here to help you, okay? Don't worry. Please join us, okay? Thank you so much.
Have you enjoyed yourself today?
Yay!
Yay.